Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this week's video you will see how I turned the old fan cover into a nice decorative wall mirror. In a label we start coating it with the gold. This is a Renzystyle gold metallic. You can get it from Amazon or any of your local hardware. I got this one from Super Value in Maningshill Road. We go ahead and coat it with the gold to ensure that the black is covered evenly. So as soon as the black is covered evenly, we would let it dry for a few minutes. We don't have to spray the inner piece because the mirror will cover that inner layer, so you don't really have to waste the spray paint there, but I just decided to spray everything. So you can do this in a box. I add it outdoor, but when you have it in a box, it kind of don't waste much of the spray paint. I already started it, and because this is a big fan cover, because this one is actually an 18-inch, so I didn't have that size box. And as I said, this is a budget-friendly idea, so I didn't want to go out to spend much on this. After it is finished, dried and everything, we then get our glass and glue. I decided to use E6000 glue and hot glue. So you would need a glue gun and glue sticks as well for this project. Why I use the glue gun and the E6000 glue, it will hold firmly, as the E6000 glue lasts longer, and I think it takes up to 24 hours to dry. Honestly, I didn't leave mine to dry that long, so you can use whatever glue you think is best for you. After adding the glue on the back of the mirror, we have to try and place in the mirror firmly and even in the circle. I'm not sure what fan cover you'll be using, but just try to ensure that it is in line with the lines that is on the fan cover. Here you will see I am pressing it firmly to ensure that the glue is firmly on the fan base cover, and then I put some of the hot glue around the edge of the mirror as well, just to ensure that it holds firmly. You don't want, when you hang up the fan cover, the mirror falls apart. You don't want that. I then got these trimmings. Actually I was to get them from Amazon after searching so many places to get them, but then I got them at Trimmings World, that's in Premier Plaza in Alpha Tree. So based on, I cut each into a strip, and then I use a hot glue to glue it around the lining of the fan base. So you see where the lines go around, I use the silver trimming around it. I decided to use a silver because the silver kind of give the gold a little more effect, so it pops a little. So I go around with the trimming right around until it's completed. After it's completed, I decided to get a thin layer of silver trim as well to go around the mirror, so that you don't really see the edging of the glass showing. So you want it to be completed, looking professionally done. So after I finish the edge here, I decided that I will put another row of the silver trimming on the top there where you see the extra lining, so that it will give it a different effect instead of the one lining. So after I finished this around the glass, I decided to put another piece there. This takes a little time, especially with the glue gun. You have to be very careful as it's very hot. So if you have a finger protector, you can use it as well, so to prevent any burn. You have to take your time so that you don't hurt yourself. Well, right here I decided to use a green glitter glue gun stick. As I said, this project is a budget friendly project. Use what you have. I had some glue sticks before, but they were for a large glue gun, and I didn't have the large glue gun. So here you can see the final here where I had the other strip of silver trimming, and this is the before now. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you had enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, share it, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Please remember to comment what you do differently. Also, if you have never thought of this project, you can also comment below. And if you have other DIY ideas that you'd like me to try, go ahead, please message me. You can check out my Instagram page, Renzystyle, and we can communicate from there. Thank you again, and if you want to see other videos like this, you can go into my playlist and watch similar videos like this. Thank you again, guys. See you next time.